If your sofa look tired, wag mo na deny. Bring it to me, watch it come back fly. Reupholstery queen, precision ang linya. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, di ba ang gawa namin siya? Fabrics or leather, girl I got both. Clean stitch line, straight as an oath. Chair, couch, car seat, name a girl. I flip that old piece into something pearl. My office or home, ako ang bahala. Quality finish, hindi bada-bada. Every phone packed, every seam unlocked. Pag HYASIA gumawa, guaranteed it's top. Comfort style we deliver, durable work that lasts forever. From broken down to brand new feel. HYASIA, magic girl, it's real. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, we bring it back. Sofa, chair, car seat, nothing off track. Durability, comfortability, quality work with affordability. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, it's the art of town. We fix your furniture, we hold it down. From restore to refine, your comfort we own. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, yeah, we set the tone. Easy coordination, smooth conversation, clear ang usapan, zero complication. Planning the style to choosing the tone, kasama sa process, hindi ka alone. Gusto mo tipid pero classy pa rin. Sa HYASIA girl, you always win. Reasonable fee with premium skill, every project namin sealed with will. Kahit lumang-luma na yan, wag mong sabihin, kayang-kaya i-revive. Let's make it trend. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, girl, we restore, giving every piece of life once more. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, we bring it back. Sofa, chair, car seat, nothing off track. Durability, comfortability, quality work with affordability. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, it's the art of town. We fix your furniture, we hold it down. From restore to refine, your comfort we own. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, yeah, we set the tone. We rebuild, we redesign. We take your vision, make it shine. Every foam, every stitch align. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, girl power combined. Yeah, your comfort's our craft, your design our task. Kahit sira, faded, worn out, down, we turn it around, flip that crown. From NCR going north to south, quality spread by word of mouth. Old couch to gold couch, that's the flip. HYASIA touch, no slip in the whip.